Welcome to the next level of aerial photography and videography with the Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone with 4K UHD camera. In this video, we'll uncover the incredible features of this compact yet powerful quadcopter, designed to capture breathtaking footage from the sky. Let's start with the basics. Weighing under 250 grams, the HS360S is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and transportation, so you can take it with you wherever your creativity takes you, hassle-free. Now, let's talk about the camera. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera featuring a GalaxyCore CMOS sensor and an adjustable 85-degree wide-angle lens, the HS360S delivers stunningly sharp photos and videos with rich detail and vibrant colors. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or action-packed scenes, this drone lets you unleash your creativity and capture every moment in stunning clarity. But what sets the HS360S apart is its advanced connection technology. With Holy Stone's enhanced remote control, you can connect your smartphone directly to the controller using a single data cable, enabling real-time image transmission without the need for Wi-Fi. Share your adventures with friends and followers as you stream live footage from the sky. But wait, there's more. With a control range of up to 10,000 feet and a modular battery that supports up to 20 minutes of flight time, the HS360S gives you the freedom to explore far and wide without limitations. And thanks to its precise GPS positioning system, you can fly with confidence knowing that the drone will safely return home if the battery runs low or the connection is lost. And the best part? The HS360S is incredibly easy to use, whether you're a seasoned pilot or a complete beginner. With features like beginner mode and optical flow positioning, you can master drone flying in no time. Plus, with smart recording modes like Spiral Up and Follow Me, the drone does the flying and filming for you, so you can focus on getting the perfect shot. So, whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, or simply someone who loves to explore the world from a different perspective, the Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone with 4K UHD camera is your ticket to limitless creativity in adventure. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start capturing stunning aerial footage like never before. Happy flying!